Welcome to Family Hearth and Heart. Today we're frying up something that's close to my southern heart. Good old-fashioned southern fried chicken. Crispy, golden, juicy, and seasoned just right. This is the kind of recipe that brings everyone to the table and keeps them coming back for seconds. Here's what you'll need. Chicken pieces, bone in, skin on is best. Buttermilk for soaking. Flour for dredging. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and a little cayenne for kick. Peanut or vegetable oil for frying. First, soak your chicken in buttermilk for at least an hour. It makes the chicken tender and gives it that delicious southern flavor. Now let's talk dredge. This is where the magic happens. Mix the flour with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and just a touch of cayenne. You want flavor in every bite, not just on the skin. Take your chicken out of the buttermilk, let the excess drip off, and coat it in the seasoned flour. Then let it rest for about 10 minutes so the crust sets up. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and fry in batches. Don't crowd the pan. Give those pieces room to dance. Fry until golden brown and cooked through, about 12 to 15 minutes depending on size. Look at that, crispy, golden, and smelling like Sunday dinner. Let it rest a few minutes before serving, if you can wait that long. Serve it with mashed potatoes and gravy, biscuits, macaroni and cheese, coleslaw, and a tall glass of ice-cold sweet tea. This is Southern comfort at its finest. Thanks for joining me at Family Hearth and Heart. Be sure to check out our website for more great recipes and articles on country living at familyhearthandheart.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with someone who needs a little Southern sunshine today.